Ever since I have joined with E2, I remember that I joined in January 2021, and right from there, you guided me so well, and because of that, I was able to get this my desired score. Writing was my seven in writing. Speaking, I got 7.5. Reading, I've got 8, and listening, I got 8.5. And you look after every student very closely, and I think that's what makes you special.
Thank you. But it's true. Like I said, it's been so many years. Well, I've been teaching English for like 35 years now. So it's like, yeah, it was my call. Since I was very young, I knew that I wanted to be an English teacher, and an English teacher for foreign English, not for like native speakers.
I don't know, there is something magic in you that you could teach student to give an edge. And I was reading on Google as well the reviews of E2 language, and in like most of the reviews there was a name of Dr. Anna, that's it. And I was surprised. And after failing 7 times and finally getting a score after your tutorial, I believe it's one of the bestest feeling that I have right now. And I couldn't thank you enough for your efforts and your dedication and believing in me.
It's a wonderful feeling. Thank you so much.
I'll see you soon, Dr. Anna. Thank you so much.
Sure.